Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Guys, I guess I am not crazy after all. Yesterday, I stayed on the sidelines, ignoring the 15-minute strategy signal to go long at 97,500. Why? The 1-hour chart showed declining money flow, signaling that the party was over for now. And today, Bitcoin dipped all the way to 96,500. At the time of recording, we are sitting at 95,800. So what does this mean? Is this just a correction, or are we setting up for a bounce? Let us dive in. Looking at the BRVP, the picture becomes clear. Between 95,000 and 95,800, there is almost no trading history. From 95,000 to 95,400, buying volume was 724 versus only 15 selling. From 95,400 to 95,800, buying volume was 1,000 compared to just 105 selling. When trading volume is this imbalanced, it often means that price moves quickly through these zones rather than consolidating. Let us recall November 21st. Bitcoin dipped to 95,500, only to rebound by 3.5% to reach a new all-time high at 98,900. If history repeats itself, this could be a key area for a bounce. However, if it fails, we could retest critical levels at 94,200 or even 93,600. A critical update: yesterday the daily wave trend chart flashed a red dot. The last time we saw the signal was November 14th. Back then, Bitcoin was in an uptrend, trading between 86,000 and 91,800. This could mean a temporary pullback before resuming upward momentum. Bitcoin dominance dropped from 61.5% on November 21st to 58.3% yesterday. Today, it has recovered to 59.6%, even as Bitcoin lost just 1 to 3% in value. This shows that altcoins are not gaining significant ground, and Bitcoin remains the king. So what is next? If Bitcoin fails to hold 95,500, we could see a deeper correction toward 94,000. But remember, the bull run is far from over. Corrections are healthy, and the whales still control the timing of the 100,000 breakout. Join my Discord for real-time updates, entries, and exits. If you found value in this video, smash the like button. It really helps the channel grow and become visible for others. Subscribe and click the bell to stay updated. I post free daily content just for you. And see you in the next one.